JEC.English. I'm Miss Sivik, and let's begin with today's video. 让我们开始今天的影片吧。
Hello guys and girls, so welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we are on to episode 3 of how do you use idioms and proverbs correctly. So 大家好 ，OK， 今天已经来到我们的 episode 3 ，OK of 如何正确的使用 idioms 跟 proverbs，OK， 在我们的 speaking as well as writing, alright? So without further ado, okay, let's get started, okay? So I guess all of you are already ready, okay? 你们全部已经准备好的。I believe all of you have the notebooks with you as well. Okay, so guys and girls, just so you know, okay, what I'm about to teach in this particular series of mine, okay, there will be 10 episodes. 总共会有10集，对吗？ Okay, it will be very useful for you regardless of not you are an SPM student sitting for SPM, 或者你是一个 PT2 的学生，或者 you have already stepped into the working world. 你已经踏出去工作的社会了 ，OK？ 因为as we know, English is lifelong learning, right? So 所有的今天你看到的这一些字都是我们可以用一辈子的 ，OK？ So let's start, OK？ 这样我们就直接开始吧。All right. So the topic for today, all right, the idioms or the metaphors that we will learn for today. 第一个我们叫 a double-edged sword， 或者第二个我们叫 apples and oranges, OK？ So of course, first of all, I need to make sure you understand the meaning of these two metaphors first. Okay, let's start with the first one. A double-edged sword. Okay, so this one, okay, what does it mean actually? Okay, 其实还要表达什么意思呢？ Double-edged sword 就是那个剑啊。Okay, a sword that has two edges. Okay, so 这个 sword 这个剑 ，OK， 它两边都有 edge. So when you use it, right? When you use it to harm another person, you will also get injured. 当你用来去刺人家的时候啊 ，OK， 你自己也会受伤。这个叫 double-edged sword. Okay, so 老师，我觉得你们没有办法 imagine. Okay, so let's see the illustration for this. Okay, so 看到吗？就是这个图案。Okay, when you hurt another person, at the same time you will also get hurt. 这个叫 double-edged sword. So 这个 metaphor 其实要比喻什么？ What does it actually mean? Alright, so basically 这个字我们会用。I mean 这个 metaphor 我们会用，当我们要讲一样东西，有好处也有坏处。Basically, it's like everything in this world. Everything has pros and cons. Am I right? So when you are saying that something has negative effects as well as positive effects, or what we say, maybe this particular thing has advantages and also disadvantages. 明白吗？ That is when we use a double-edged sword. 抓到是我的意思哦，啊，这样，所以都有好都有坏啊，这个叫 double-edged sword。OK， 所以这个到底我们等下要怎样用 ？OK， I will show you a sample sentence later on. 这样我们 move on to the second one. Apples and oranges. OK， 大家都应该很清楚知道 ，apple 就是 apple，orange 就是 orange. Am I right? So when you compare these two fruits together, it doesn't make sense. OK， 你把这两个水果比喻在一起是根本没有逻辑的，不合逻辑的。OK，so 当我们讲 apples and oranges。Okay, 其实你要表达的 what you are trying to say that what you are trying to say here is these two things are totally different. 抓到吗？ They are poles apart. 它们是完全不一样的。OK， 可以啊。这样你讲是example 呢？So before I move on with the sample sentence, 大家要先搞清楚 how are we going to use these two metaphors, okay, correctly when we speak or when we write in our essays, okay? So 当你写作文，当你讲要怎样正确的使用 ，OK？ 记得这两个呢，不管是 double-edged sword 还是 apples and oranges，OK？ 它们都是 nouns， 它们都是名词 ，OK？ They are both nouns here. So just use it like how you would use a noun. 所以，所以你看啊，刚刚老师我讲 this is a double-edged sword。Only when you use noun, 你前面才可以放 a and the 的吗？ Only when you use noun, you can put article a and the in front. Am I right? Okay, 这个是老师我这边要表达的。So likewise, apples and oranges, okay? 你就可以直接把它变成名词的来用。Okay, treat it. I mean, use it like how you would use a noun. Okay, 可以啊。这样这一边我们会怎样使用呢 ？Okay, I will give you some sample sentences. Okay, so the first one. Okay, let's go through it. So 第一个 ，OK 这个是it is actually a very useful metaphor, and then it can make such a huge impact in your essay writing. OK， the examiner will be very impressed. OK， 考官会觉得哇，你会用这个字是很不错的。So 我们这一边我们就可以讲 ，technology is a double-edged sword. Yes or no? This is totally true, right? 为什么？因为科技它的确有好，也是有坏。它好的是让我们生活变得更方便 ，it makes our life more convenient. That's the pro. Am I right? But there is also a con here. I mean, there are a lot of cons, there are a lot of pros. Okay, so let's just keep it to one each. Okay, 我们现在只讲一个一个。So 它的坏处就是 it makes people lazier. Am I right? So that's why we say technology is a double-edged sword. Likewise, social media is a double-edged sword. 你看到吗？你这样讲，你这样子写 ，OK？ you will make a very good impact. OK， 就这样。So 现在的作文都是偏向于这样子写了的。OK 啊，这个，所以 a double-edged sword meaning to say 有好跟坏啊。OK，technology has benefits as well as disadvantages. So 这个完了，看到吗？啊，我都是把它变成 noun 来用，放罢了。OK，short and simple. 讲第二个 ，OK，moving on to the next one. Alright, so let's keep things simple. OK，my objective here is to make you understand how to use it. Alright, so 第二个我可以直接这样写 ：Chinese food and Indian food are totally different. You are comparing apples and oranges. 看到吗？很简单。You are comparing apples and oranges. 你正在比较 apples and oranges now. Okay, so you are comparing two different things together. Okay, so whenever you want to say something that is very different, okay, 你可以直接讲 they are apples and oranges. How can you compare both of them? 对吗？你要讲比较这两个。Okay, so use it as a noun. 明白？可以啊？ Okay, all right. So I hope you have learned something today. Okay, so once again, I will see you in our next lesson. Now, 如果大家觉得有学到的话 remember to always share with your friends, okay, and with people around you who want to improve their English. Okay, so 如果你身边有人是要进步英文的 ，OK 大家都可以 share 一下，然后可以这样 like 一下。subscribe 一下，然后turn on the notifications, OK？ 当然有什么疑问都可以放在 comment, OK？ 老师我会一个一个去看的 ，OK？ 可以啊 ？So I guess I will see you in the next episode. Thank you very much. Bye.
快樂嘅時間過得特別快，又係時間講拜拜。So hopefully you have learned a thing or two. So remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Alright. So I will see you in our next video. 下一次見，拜拜。